want to make the best coffee at home? Welcome to the ultimate home brewing guide. Today, I will show you how I make the best coffee using a Hario V60 at home. Let's get started. These are tools you will need: a gooseneck kettle for boiling water, a weighing scale to measure the coffee, fresh coffee beans for the best flavor and aroma, coffee grinder to grind coffee beans, V60 dripper, V60 paper filter, timer to time the brewing time. Step 1. Start by boiling water to a temperature of 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Measure 16 grams of coffee beans. Step 3. Grind coffee on medium fine size. Step 4. Get a V60 coffee dripper. Place a paper filter inside and rinse it with hot water. This will remove any paper taste. And preheat the dripper. Step 5. Add freshly ground coffee to the filter. Using a ratio of 1:15 for a balanced flavor. 16 grams multiplied by 15 milliliters of water. Step 6. Now gently pour a 40 milliliters of hot water into the center of the coffee grounds, enough to wet them, and let it bloom for 30 seconds. This helps release the trapped gases and brings out the coffee's aroma. Step 7. Pour 100 milliliters water in a spiral motion from the center, working your way outward and maintaining a steady pour. Quick reminder: remember to pour slowly, allowing the water to flow through the coffee grounds evenly. Step 8. Continue pouring until you reach 240 milliliters, keeping the water flow consistent when pouring until the desired amount of water. Step 9. Give the coffee dripper a gentle swirl to level the coffee bed and let it steep for about a minute. Step 10. Remove the V60 dripper and throw away the grounds. Watch this delicious V60 coffee. Step 10. Enjoy your freshly brewed V60 coffee. Savor the aroma and flavors. And take a moment to appreciate the art of home brewing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to watch this video next for more home coffee tips and tutorials. Cheers!